Good morning, kindergarten friends. It's Wednesday, May 13th, and I was just counting the days on my little chain here, and it's May 13th, and there's actually 13 days of school left until we make it to June 3rd, which when I'm thinking 13 days, you can do it. We can do it. Remember how when we were at the carpet, I always say, lovies, you can do hard things. And you know what? I've watched you do a really hard thing, and your parents have done a really hard thing, and we're still doing a hard thing, let's be honest. But I wanted to say, I'm proud of you. Keep up the good work. For 13 days, we can do it. Okay? Okay, I know you can. I can too. So it's May 13th. It's Wednesday. It is currently pouring down rain at my house, like pouring. Like I think I can almost hear it right now. Which I had to laugh because I was thinking, oh, for phonics today we could, use our chalk outside. Well, what is it with Wednesday and rain? I need to change my chalk days apparently. So I have some other suggestions for today. So calendar math though, it's Wednesday, May 13, 5-13-20. Our pattern, after our two red tulips, it would be a green centered one for the number 13. So here it is, 13. Then if we add one more over here, we would have 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156. 156 days smarter. Way to go. I hope you're also working on evens and odds. Remember, if we had the number 13 and we had 3 up, because we only care about the ones place, these two would be buddies, and this guy would be the odd man out. So 13 would be an odd number. So remember, we're working still on evens and odds there in your calendar math. Then if we get our password, OUT, get on out. OUT, get on out. And then your memory verse, verily, verily, I say unto you that he who believes in me will have everlasting life. Okay, awesome. So as far as things to do today, here's your calendar math. I have just tucked my password right in here, and I did the same for Caleb so that it's all kind of together and we can do it. I haven't heard of anybody losing any teeth though. I mean, I thought April, everybody was losing teeth all the time, and now in May we're back to like nobody. So remember, if you lose a tooth, let me know. Either on a Zoom call is a great way to tell me, or you can have mama or daddy email me back. And so I can get a little tooth man. Friday is our next packet pickup day. And so if anyone loses a tooth, I'll stick your little man in your packet when I see you on Friday. So here's handwriting, the letter V. You have to put your teeth on your lip, v, like Victor or van or vest. So you're gonna do the first 2 pages today, and then you'll do the other pages tomorrow. For reading, you can do Raz Kids or Teacher Monster. Those are great. Teacher Monster is fun to do. I also gave you a reading comprehension packet, so hopefully you started it yesterday. These are a little different though, because they have different types of questions. It's not just a circle they answer like they were the last couple weeks. You are putting pictures, you check the picture that matches the story. Where's the swing? You can't just write tree. If it's in a tree, you would need to write it is in the tree. It's not in the tree though. So go ahead and read and write where it is. Izzy will play with, that's the circle one. That's kind of an interesting situation, huh? Okay, so put the events in order, write 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that's like sequencing. You gotta put them in order of how they happen. Where do I like to play? Not like you like to play, like I like to play basketball on the driveway in the story, okay? and then information about the ladybug. So you're reading and you're writing, and this one even gives you an opportunity to read it 3 times with 3 little stars here to color to make sure that that story is really in your sweet head. Okay, then this guy seems appropriate for today. He's another roll and color. Make sure that you're rolling and say the password as you roll. These are some new passwords in here that we haven't worked on a lot at school yet. He, at, a, that was like the first one, so you've done that one. So, like, L-I-K-E, like, and C, S-E-E-I-C-U. Okay, so you've got 3 news and 3 that we know really well. Then, here's my slight change from Chalk in the Driveway today. Go ahead and pull back this unicorn one from yesterday. We just had 6 words that we wrote. Then the options, the super brain structure option, is for you to think of any other words that begin with any of these digraphs or end with the digraphs. They can go beginning or end. And see if you can fill in the chart for more of these digraph words, because you can't really write them outside on the driveway with chalk today very well. The other thing is that if you get stuck and you can't think of any other words, you can use the words back in this your purple cards, and you can either pull them out of the bag and write them down, or if mom or dad are with you, they could pull one out. They could tell you the word, and like yesterday, you could see if you can hear the sounds in it, and you could spell it yourself on this chart. So if I said fish, fish, ish, ish, it would go in the SH, and I would try to spell it myself. F-I-sh-S-H. And I could put fish on this one. So that's a way that you can use those cards today to kind of finish off that activity. And this afternoon, after lunch, we are going to do this one together with measuring. Once again, it's lesson 1-1, and it's in your packet. So you'll need your paper, pencil, some crayons, and your Unifix cubes today, because we're going to keep working on measuring. Okay, so that's the plan. I look forward to seeing you keep doing those science experiments. Today might be a good one for doing some mystery science at home, or even the sink and float or the wind one, or any of those kinds of good things. So I hope you have a great day. I look forward to seeing you on our Zoom call. And if you go outside, don't forget your coat. Okay, love ya.